good.
T, what's up? What's up, Mike? Ah, battery no way.
My name is Brigadier Mohammed Amin Askandar. I am in Basic 4. I represent security services. A soldier is a person who is a member of an army. A soldier can be a volunteer enlisted person, a non-commissioned officer, or a warrant officer, or an officer. As a soldier, we protect our country from both internal and external aggression, so that peace and security can be raised or restored in the country. Yes. We also ensure that the country's land, sea, and airspace. I, Brigadier Mohammed Amin Askandar, and Edward Payne will perform our duties diligently in future. That's why we are proud to be a soldier in future. Thank you.
Police command, and I said, Lieutenant Colonel, I'm saying to me, police command, Askandaro, officer, Asarisa, boss. Yes. Lord. One. Very good.